Hi everyone and welcome back to Vintage Nook. If you love cozy spaces, soft colors and timeless charm, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 10 beautiful kitchen makeover ideas perfect for summer 2025, especially if you love that warm, neutral, inviting vibe. From soft linen touches to natural wood finishes, you'll find plenty of inspiration to refresh your kitchen this season. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's get inspired together. Natural wood finishes breathe warmth into your kitchen. Opt for light oak or walnut cabinetry and pair them with neutral-toned walls. These elements create a cozy, grounded feeling, perfect for the summer season. Choose open shelving to showcase earthy ceramics and natural woven baskets for an organic touch. Add wooden bar stools or butcher block countertops to continue the theme. The grain and tone of real wood bring an inviting texture that softens modern kitchen elements. This blend of nature and design makes your kitchen feel like a peaceful retreat where morning sunlight feels even more golden. Step away from stark whites and embrace soft creams and beiges. These neutral hues keep your kitchen feeling light while adding a gentle warmth that stark tones often lack. They're especially beautiful in natural lighting, bringing a timeless charm that's both welcoming and effortlessly elegant for summer. Pair your cabinets with matte brass hardware or wooden handles for a harmonious finish. These tones allow for flexibility. You can switch up your decor easily from rustic farmhouse to coastal chic. This subtle shift in palette adds depth, making your kitchen feel sophisticated without ever feeling cold. Introduce texture and charm with woven accents. Rattan pendant lights, cane-backed bar stools, or wicker baskets help create an airy, summery vibe. These elements are perfect for warm, neutral interiors, offering softness without overwhelming the space. The result is a kitchen that feels both functional and inviting. Layer different woven elements, like bamboo blinds, seagrass rugs, or jute placemats, to add dimension. These natural textures catch the eye without competing with your palette. It's a way to bring the outdoors in, adding a breezy vacation feel that feels effortlessly curated yet grounded in everyday comfort. Embrace minimalism without sacrificing warmth. Instead of cold grays and sterile whites, try taupe, mushroom, or sandy tones. Keep your counters clutter-free, but choose accessories made of natural materials. This combination feels clean and calm, ideal for those who seek tranquility in their cooking and dining space. Use flat front cabinets, hidden appliances, and neutral backsplashes to create sleek lines. Add life through wooden utensils, ceramic vases, or soft linen towels. This subtle styling lets your space breathe while still feeling lived in and loved, perfect for relaxed summer days and quiet, early morning routines. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to make your kitchen feel more spacious. Style them with earthy ceramics, neutral stoneware, and glass jars filled with grains or herbs. These small touches create a curated, homey atmosphere that blends aesthetics and practicality. Stick to a warm, consistent color palette. Think off-white, terracotta, and soft browns. The beauty lies in the imperfections. Handmade mugs, vintage pitchers, or chipped bowls tell a story. It's a casual, soulful way to display your personality, while keeping the heart of your home feeling fresh and open. Switch out heavy fabrics for lightweight linens. Linen curtains, seat cushions, or table runners in warm neutrals can transform your kitchen with very little effort. Their relaxed texture pairs beautifully with sunlight, casting a dreamy softness that feels just right for the season. Look for hues like oatmeal, sand, or ivory. These colors blend seamlessly into any neutral palette, adding depth without demanding attention. Linen's breathability also makes it ideal for summer. Its natural wrinkles lend a casual elegance that's both stylish and incredibly livable for everyday meals and gatherings. Let your lighting do the talking. Choose fixtures in brass, aged bronze, or matte gold to add a warm glow. Pendant lights above an island or sconce lighting near open shelves bring structure and ambience, turning your kitchen into a softly lit, stylish centerpiece. Balance modern shapes with nostalgic finishes to keep things interesting. Look for globe pendants, dome shades, or rattan-wrapped bulbs. The right lighting not only enhances your space but elevates your daily routines, whether you're sipping morning coffee or preparing dinner at twilight. Terracotta is making a beautiful comeback this summer. From tile backsplashes to decorative pots or bowls, its rusty orange warmth complements neutral interiors perfectly. It brings a sun-baked Mediterranean feel that works effortlessly in both modern and traditional kitchens. Use terracotta in small doses, perhaps a tiled niche, a large floor vase, or rustic planters. These earthy touches break up uniform palettes, adding character and a cozy glow. When mixed with linen, wood, and cream tones, terracotta becomes the perfect accent for a summer-inspired neutral kitchen. Marble, quartz, or limestone in soft beige or warm white creates an elegant foundation. These stones reflect natural light beautifully, helping your kitchen feel bright yet grounded. Their subtle veining adds visual interest without overpowering the calm, earthy vibe of a neutral palette. Pair your countertops with a complementary backsplash in the same material or a gentle contrast like zellige tiles. This seamless look is timeless and sophisticated. It offers a clean canvas for layered textures, warm finishes, and the occasional pop of greenery or artisan kitchenware. Create a living detail with a built-in herb nook or windowsill garden. Use terracotta pots or ceramic planters for a natural touch. Fresh basil, rosemary, and thyme not only smell wonderful but bring color and life to your kitchen, softening its more structured lines. It's a functional and beautiful choice. Even a small area can be transformed with floating shelves or a dedicated cart. Let the herbs soak up the sun while you enjoy their aroma and easy access. It adds charm and practicality, making your summer kitchen feel alive in every sense. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these ideas sparked a few visions for your own warm, welcoming kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vintage Nook for more cozy home ideas, and leave a comment below telling us which makeover tip was your favorite. Until next time, stay inspired and stay cozy.